You're moving it. I don't want you to take it off yet. You're going to have to hold it. You're not holding it. All right, look. Roll this.
Go down here.
Roll this up. So you can take it in, like, a line. Well, that's fine. Can you slide it underneath there then? Ready? You gotta get it up. Tear it in half, right where you have the hole. Alright. Yeah, okay, fine. You're not gonna be able to do it from the side. You're gonna have to do it from here. You have to get it up, start it here, and go up underneath. No, you didn't get anything. I can't hold this and do this at the same time. All I want to do is slide along the bottom here.
Does it work?
That's right. You're going to have to go from below or from above. You've got to use a little ingenuity. You're just trying to get on the bottom. It doesn't have to be thick. Come up from the bottom. Start from down there. There. Can you get that to roll underneath there? Ready?
Yep.
Oh, for now.
Go, geez. You got the top.
Dang it.
Well, he's not here anymore, is he? Could be another one, but there is.
You'll
How do
probably.
you get through there?
It's a tube.
Huh?
It's a tube.
Not at the big piece of phone stuff in the car.
It's essentially a tube. If you were a freaked out bird, I think you would find a way out.
That person's probably scared like nothing else.
Where'd it go?
Up there.
Where, do you see it?
It went. Oh no, it went up that way.
Okay, let's go open some windows.